Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to create invoice from the ticket screen. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Invoice Helpdesk. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and allow these options for create invoice. Let's save. Now go to Helpdesk, go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this button create invoice. Now click on add here invoice for large cabinet. Let's save. So see here your invoice is created from this ticket screen. Now open this and see here also display here create ticket for button. Now add ticket name like for invoice, add subject, add here type, add category, subcategory, closing date is 15, set priority and text is refund. Let's save. So see here also ticket is created from the invoice screen. Now open this and display here your created ticket. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.